Now we are coming on question number 4, its third part. Yash scored 40 marks in a test. Get 3 marks for each right answer and lose 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in a test? See here, case first. In first case, it is given that for correct answer, he is getting 3 marks. For each correct answer, he is getting 3 marks. For right answer, he is getting 3 marks. And 1 marks is deducted for each wrong answer. As the marks has been deducted, so here we have written -1. For 1 wrong answer, 1 marks is deducted. That's as the number is getting deducted, so we have placed here negative sign, -1 marks. Now, we don't know how many right answers he has given and how many wrong answers he has given. We don't know that. So what we have done is, let number of right answers be x and let number of wrong answers be y. Case first is that he is scoring 40 marks when each right answer is for 3 marks and 1 marks is deducted for wrong answers. So see here, if number of right answer is x, so 3x, 3 will get multiplied by 3x marks for correct answers, 3x, and let number of wrong answers be y. So 1 multiplied by y, 1y is being subtracted from 3x, 3x plus -1 into y is equal to 40. This is the number obtained by him. Now see, we'll further solve it. 3 into x, it is 3x plus when -y, 1 multiplied by y, it is -y is equal to 40. Or 3x, when we will open the bracket, before bracket there is plus sign, so the sign inside the bracket will not change, -y is equal to 40. See, this one is the first equation. Now for second case, see, it is given that in second case, 4 marks has been given to him for correct answer. 4 marks has been given to him. Here it is written. For right answer is getting 4 marks and for wrong answers 2 marks is being deducted. As the marks are being deducted, that's why I have written put negative sign. Then according to question, for number of right answers x. So this x will be multiplied by 4. 4x marks for the correct answers and number of marks deducted, because number of wrong answers are y and for each wrong answer 2 marks is being deducted, so -2. So -2 will get multiplied by y is equal to 50. This is the second case. We will solve it. 4 into x, it is 4x. -2 into y, it is -2y is equal to 50. 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. This is the second equation. Now see here, we have to solve this equation first and this equation second in order to find out value of x and y. The best way to solve when no such option is given, then best way to solve is the elimination method. And what we have to do is simply we will make coefficient of any one variable equal, which we find easy. See here, coefficient of y is here -2 and here coefficient of y is -1. The sign is same. Only just what we have to do is we will multiply this first equation in order to make coefficient of this y equal to coefficient of y in second equation. We'll multiply it by 2. As here it is 1, when this 1 get multiplied by 2, it becomes 2. Then here it will be -2y and here it is already -2y. So on multiplying equation 1 by 2 and whatever we are getting, we will subtract it from equation second. Now see here. We have multiplied first equation by 2, then we are getting here 6x minus 2y is equal to 80. Here we have got -2y. Coefficient of y becomes -2 as in equation second. Now we will subtract this equation 3 from second. So second will be written first. 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. This is equation second and this third equation will write it below. 6x minus 2y is equal to 80. We will subtract it. As we are going to subtract it, so the sign before each term will get changed. Earlier it was plus, now it will become minus. Earlier it was -2y, then it becomes plus. Earlier it was plus 80, now it becomes minus. Now see here, 4x minus 6x, it is minus 2x. We'll find out the difference and sign before the greater number. Sign before 6 is a greater number and sign before is minus. So we have placed here minus. This minus 2y and this plus 2y, it will be cancelled out. Now here it is plus 50 and it is minus 50. We have to find out their difference, as one is positive, another one is negative. Their difference is 30. And as 80 is greater and before 80 there is a negative sign, so we have placed here negative. This negative sign and this negative sign is being cancelled out. Now we have to find out value of x, so we are keeping it alone. We'll take this 2 to the next side. This 2 is getting multiplied by x. When we are taking it to the next side, it will divide 30. 2 1s are 2 and 2 15s are 30, or 15 by 1, simply it can be written as 50. So x is equal to 15. It means number of right answers he has given is x and its value is 15. Say this one as fourth equation. Now we'll put this value of x as 15 in equation 1. You can either put in 1, you can either put in second one, or you can put it in third one. Which one you find easier? I have put it in equation first. Now 3x minus y is equal to 40. This is our first equation. In place of x, I have to write 50. 3 multiplied by 15. In place of x, in this place of this x, I have written here 15 minus y is equal to 40. 3 15s are, or 15 3s are, it is 45 minus y is equal to 40. Or see here now, minus y, as I have to find out value of y, I will try to keep it alone, minus y, and this 45 I have taken it to the next side. When I am taking it to the next side, here before 45 there is a positive sign. So when I am taking it to the next side, I have to place here negative sign. Or minus 5 is equal to 40 minus 45. It is minus 5. We have to find out difference. Difference is 5 and 45 is greater number, and before 45 there is a negative sign. So I have to place here negative sign. Now this minus sign and this minus sign will be cancelled out. So I am getting y is equal to 5. Therefore, number of correct answer, it is x, it is 15. From fourth you can say this. And number of wrong answers, it is y, it is 5. From fifth you can say. And total number of question, you can say number of correct answers plus number of wrong answers. That is 15 plus 5, it is equal to 20.